In this video, we're going to use multiple noise types like elevation and moisture to generate more interesting biome maps with TerraForge. The first thing we're going to do is create the moisture noise type. Luckily, we already have an elevation noise type created from the previous videos in this series, so we can just copy and paste that and then rename it to moisture. Unless you want the moisture settings to be the same as the elevation settings, you can go in and change them to your liking. Once that is done, just add moisture to the noise types dictionary underneath the elevation noise type. Now if you run the code, you'll see that the moisture noise type is added and a noise type map image is generated for it. The next thing we have to do is add the moisture noise type to the biomes. I want the ocean, beach, and mountain biomes to remain elevation based, so we're not going to add moisture to the rules. Instead, we're going to change the mountains elevation range to 0.8 and 1. Then we're going to add a desert, forest, and swamp biome that uses both elevation and moisture. The last thing we have to do is add those 3 biomes to the biomes list. Now, whenever you run the code, you see the desert, forest, and swamp biomes show up on the biome map. In the next video, we're going to go over how to set a specific map size, image size, and output directory for the generated map images. TerraForge has written tutorials on GitHub if you prefer that over videos. If you want more advanced features, consider checking out TerraForge Pro on my Gumroad. Thank you for watching.